Have you ever thought that fasting is a real-time and lifesaver? Did you think fasting is just for weight loss? Think again. Did you know? Fasting has a lot more benefits beyond just weight loss. Today, let's talk about beyond the incredible health benefits. How else can fasting change your life? This incredible life hack isn't just about getting healthier. It can save you money, free up your time, and help you become more disciplined. Here are 5 unexpected benefits of fasting you absolutely need to know about. Let's dive in. Unexpected benefit number 5, save time and say goodbye to decision fatigue. Ever spend way too long figuring out what to eat? Not sure how to eat healthy when you eat out a lot. On average, we spend over 2 hours a day on food. This doesn't even include choosing a restaurant, looking at menus, or waiting in line. Fasting helps with detox, sure, but it also saves us valuable time, giving us more freedom to do what we enjoy. Think about it. If you spend an hour on each meal, that's 3 to 5 hours a day spent just on eating. Now, if you practice alternate day fasting, you can save around 45 to 75 hours per month. Even with intermittent fasting, if you skip 1 or 2 meals a day, that's still a monthly time saving of 30 to 50 hours. For busy people who don't even have time for regular meals and end up binge eating after work, this just harms your health. Why not try intermittent fasting during workdays? Personally, I do one-day fasts regularly, so I don't have to stop working to eat. I just drink a bulletproof beverage to get the energy I need. Fasting gives us the freedom to control our time. Who says you need to eat 3 meals a day? Next up, unexpected benefit number 4, clearer skin. Bye-bye, acne. Fasting doesn't only benefit your body, it can do wonders for your skin too. Many people notice that after fasting for a while, their acne reduces and their skin becomes smoother and more radiant. Modern life is stressful and high-fat, high-sugar diets are common. This combination is a nightmare for your skin. Did you know that eating too much sugar triggers glycation, which is like baking your collagen and elastin, leading to sagging and wrinkles? A high-sugar diet also increases insulin resistance, which causes chronic inflammation, the root of acne and eczema. And to make things worse, it can weaken your skin's defenses, making it more prone to allergies. How does fasting improve insulin resistance? When we fast, our bodies start a self-repair process, burning fat for energy and lowering blood sugar levels. Imagine, with stabilized blood sugar, insulin can work like a key, opening cells to let glucose in for energy. So, fasting helps by lowering blood sugar. During fasting, the body uses stored glycogen for energy, reducing blood sugar levels, which can enhance insulin sensitivity and improve insulin resistance. Promoting autophagy, fasting triggers cellular autophagy, clearing out damaged cell components and helping cells repair and regenerate. Reducing inflammation. Fasting reduces the production of inflammatory markers and increases anti-inflammatory factors, reducing overall inflammation in the body. So, how does fasting improve skin health? Anti-aging effects. By improving insulin resistance and reducing inflammation, fasting helps delay skin aging and minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Brighter skin tone. Fasting boosts blood circulation, making your skin look healthier and more radiant. Less skin issues. Lower inflammation means less acne, eczema, and other skin problems. Fasting not only makes you healthier, but also enhances your appearance. Plus, it's a self-discipline challenge. Completing a fasting plan gives you an incredible sense of achievement, boosting your self-discipline in the process. Unexpected benefit number 3. Increased self-discipline, becoming a better you. Fasting isn't just about losing weight, it's a true test of self-discipline. When you conquer hunger and stick to your fasting plan, the sense of accomplishment is unmatched. This is more than a physical victory, it's a mental triumph. From a psychological perspective, fasting actually trains your brain's self-control. Each time you resist the urge to eat, you strengthen your prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for rational decisions and impulse control. Each successful fast strengthens your self-control, which extends to all areas of life: work, study, handling stress, and emotions. With this kind of mental training, you'll not only get healthier, but also become more resilient when facing challenges. Simply put, fasting doesn't just give you a healthier body, it helps you build a stronger, clearer mind. Then, unexpected benefit number 2, financial savings, easier budgeting. Did you know that eating out is quite costly? A regular lunch or dinner can easily cost $10 to $20. Over time, that adds up fast. If you skip just one meal daily, you could save around $300 a month. I use Bulletproof coffee as my fasting energy boost. The $17 bottle of keto creamer lasts 20 meals, and I'm gaining health and beauty in return. Health is priceless, especially with today's common metabolic issues like diabetes and heart disease, which require lifelong treatment. So, don't underestimate insulin resistance. Take your health seriously. Plus, with better skin and a healthier body, you'll save on skincare and medical expenses, which can add up more than food costs. And lastly, unexpected benefit number 1, improved mental clarity. Ever wake up feeling foggy, like there's a cloud in your head? That's what people call brain fog. But fasting can significantly help, sharpening your mind and boosting productivity. Fasting puts your body in survival mode, prioritizing brain energy supply and activating self-protection mechanisms, like increasing BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, to help your brain cope with stress. BDNF acts like fertilizer for your brain cells, promoting growth and enhancing connections, which improves learning and memory. On top of that, fasting can spark your creativity. It's like hitting a reset button, bringing out all the hidden inspiration. When your body isn't busy digesting food, your brain can focus on more important things like thinking, creating, and learning. This also brings the last bonus benefit of fasting. It improves sleep quality. Without a heavy digestive load, your body can focus on repair and rest. It's like pressing sleep mode, letting you sleep more soundly. Surprised by all these benefits of fasting? To truly see how fasting can change your life, you have to try it for yourself. But remember, fasting correctly is the key to a better life. Before you start fasting, remember to check out my video to know how to fast correctly and easily. I hope today's video has inspired you to try fasting and become a healthier you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more fasting benefits and health tips. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and join my IG and Facebook communities to stay up to date. Thank you for watching. Here's to a healthier you. Cheers!